Hey friends, today we're gonna check this split we did last week. I don't believe I uploaded a video, I forgot, but I'll upload that. So we did a split from this hive here, which is a double deep 8 frame, into this. This one here, I put the queen in here with 4 frames I believe, and left this hive to make its own queen. So we'll take a look at what's going on in here, the hive and the rest of the hives too today. So let's get started. Alright, let's open this up. Hopefully they're doing fine. We'll see. I did give them some sugar water. See how that's going. Let me move these out of the way. Alright. And this is empty so they must be using it a lot. I don't see a lot of movement from this hive, to be honest, so I might give them more sugar water. So I don't see a lot of movement on this hive. Like I said, I just split them, so I'm assuming these are just, come on lady, I'm assuming these are just what do you call it, worker bees and not foragers in here, but we'll see what's going on. We'll take a quick look, see if we can see the queen too. I put the split into 8 frame. That's what I had at the moment. Let me get my frame holder. Alright, that's empty frame, that's just fine. Alright, they started to draw this out a little bit. So let's see here what we got going on. Capped off frame brood. I did give them some capped off brood and food. I don't know what's what now. Let me make sure. I'm gonna look for eggs. The other frame is the same. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that beautiful frame. This is capped off. Don't see any eggs because there isn't really much room for the eggs on this. Don't see the queen either on this one. So this is my first hive, my first queen. It's super calm. I love this hive, so I decided to try to keep the queen so she doesn't escape. I don't want to lose the queen. And this is exactly why. Because look at these frames. Just beautiful. She's a laying machine. This is why I did a split so she doesn't swarm and go. Alright, let's put this back. Hopefully we can see her too. Like I said, it's only 4 frames, but this is gonna hatch quickly. Excuse me. This one has a lot of eggs, yes. So I'm assuming she's still here. Like I said, maybe we can see her, we'll see. Lots of eggs on this one, some capped off brood. All this middle is eggs, a little bit of nectar. There's a queen, couple of queen cups on the bottom. Maybe, I don't know. However, I'm gonna destroy these. Don't need any more queen cups. I don't know if they were on here before. frames. Yeah, this one's empty. Let's see this one. This one definitely had larvae in it. I think, no. Well, regardless, we're gonna take them apart. We don't need this trying to swarm again for any reasons. Hopefully we can find the queen. She's marked blue. There's lots of bees and lots of eggs in this one too. So I'm assuming she's here somewhere. At least she's been here for the past couple of days. There is another queen cup up here. That's empty. But we're gonna go ahead and... yeah, that's empty. However, we're just gonna go ahead and remove that. Ah, there's my queen. Found the queen on this side. Alright, let me get these frames. There's my queen right in the middle there. There is a drone hatching. Oh, that's cool. Haven't seen a bee hatch before. So lots of eggs on this side too, and capped off brood. Queen is looking to lay. She's going from cell to cell, which is beautiful. Let's see if this guy hatched. He's coming out. He's trying to come out. Alright, so it's looking good. This split on this side is looking good. Let me see. They're starting to draw this comb out. Yep. Which is good. They just need a little bit of time. Like I said, it's only been some 5-6 days. I just wanted to get in and check, make sure everything's okay. So we'll leave them alone. Let them build this up. And we'll see what we're gonna do from there. Alright, so we'll go on to the next, to the queenless hive that's now doesn't have a queen, and see what's going on in there.